It's day 186 of the Be Creative series. This is Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Welcome to my inspiration today. So over the weekend, I had a chance to go to Joshua Tree, the first time to be out with the group, and it was so awesome. And I reflected in day 184 about putting on my hiking boots for the first time in 7 months and how great that felt. And I was thinking today about patterns and shape. And you know, one of the most striking shapes there is, one of the most striking patterns is the bottom of a pair of hiking boots. So I thought that would be my topic today. So they're black. So that means in the camera, I need to underexpose, give a minus exposure compensation. If you want to learn more about that, come to Photo Bootcamp. We'll talk about that in lesson number 3. I wanted dramatic lighting. I wanted side light. So I've got the Lytra Pro with the barn doors directing the light down. So I've got nice cross strong shadows. I needed to protect the background. So I took the blanket that we have on the sofa, just folded it up so it's got some nice texture and patterns back there to make the background uniform. I didn't want a black sheet or a white sheet. I wanted some texture. So that's the picture I had in mind. So now we create it. So I've got the 70 to 200 millimeter lens at 200 millimeters. I'm at the minimum focus about 4.5 or 5 feet away from the shoe. It's going to give me an area of about a 4x6 photograph, something like that is the image. I'm at f16 because I want all the texture to be in focus. Aperture priority gives me about a 1/2 or 1/4 of a second exposure with ISO 400. Putting the picture together. And when I print this, it's going to be a black and white because that'll give me more texture here. Now what I want you to do, come on up and look at the shoe real quick because I have the room lights on so you could see me. And before we shut down, I'm going to turn the room lights off. So that's the texture that the picture is going to have. Imagining the light, imagining the photo, seeing it and making it happen. That's what it's like to be a creative photographer. I want to inspire you to get out, take your pictures, have some fun, be creative, and share it. Remember, we're using the hashtags Paul's Photo, hashtag Creative Photo Academy, and hashtag We're All Together. So we can all see what we're doing. As we stay safe, we have some fun, and we're creative. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy, thanking you for watching today. And tomorrow we'll have another episode of Be Creative. I'll see you real soon.